Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video, I'll show you a simple way on how to build a task manager app. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below this video to the description and click on the first link you find there. Then, you're going to come across this platform, Glide. Glide is a platform that lets you create custom apps without coding. So, after clicking the link in the description, now you need to sign up to Glide. You can choose to sign up with your Google or your email address. Once you have completed the sign up process, you will be directed to your Glide account. Now, you can easily create a task manager app in Glide to assign and manage tasks to employees. To create a task manager app in Glide, begin by selecting the Templates option from the left menu. This will lead you to your existing templates. To access more templates, navigate to the Template Store and click on it. This action will lead you to the Template Store. Inside the Template Store, you'll find a diverse range of templates organized by category, or you can use the search bar for specific inquiries. For instance, to find a Task Manager app template, simply type task into the search bar. Once the results populate, choose a template that suits your needs. For this guide, we'll use the Task Manager template. Selecting the template will lead you to a new page with two choices: Create this app or Preview. We'll select Create this app. This initiates the editing process. In the editor, you'll find a toolbar with three options: Data, Layout, and Action. The Data option lets you tailor the app's data. The Layout option allows you to modify the app's navigation and settings. You can preview your app in both mobile and desktop formats here. The Actions option enables you to create custom workflows by combining multiple steps. Once you customize the app, you can publish it by clicking the Publish button at the editor's top right corner. Once your app is live, the Share button appears in place of Publish. Clicking this opens various sharing options, such as QR code, link, or even inviting users directly through their email. And there you have it, a new Task Manager app for your company. To get started, simply sign up using the first link provided in the video description. Thank you for considering this option. I hope you found this tutorial useful and learned something new. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. Thanks for watching, and take care.